Time for big revolution has finally come. The big wait is finally over. Time to immerse in amazing granthas by Srila Shachinandanji Maharaj has come. After decades of intense reading of all Gaudiya Vaishnav scriptures and more than a decade of solitary bhajan, Maharaj Ji has put the essence of Lord Chaitanya's teachings and teachings of original Gaudiya Vaishnav Acharyas, Srila Rupa Goswami, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami, Srila Prabodhanand Saraswati, etc. in one place in his divine, mesmerizing granthas. Reading of just page 1 will induce goosebumps. 15 granthas by Sri Maharaj Ji are coming. Yes, 15. Deepest unheard topics and tattvas are explained in these granthas. One will marvel at the depth of realization of the author. Reading of these granthas will make us understand Dharmasya Tattvam Nihitam Guhayam, how all the deep secrets of bhakti are in the heart of realized beings only. Unless they mercifully tell us, we can never ever know them. And upon instructions of his spiritual master, Maharaj Ji has put in words those deepest secrets which otherwise would have remained in Maharaj Ji's divine heart only. So very deep tattvas explained in such simple language, everyone will wonder, has Maharaj Ji specially appeared on earth just to write these life-changing granthas? These granthas destroy all misconceptions currently prevalent in the name of Gaudiya Vaishnavism.
गौड़िया वैष्णव बनिए, बी अ गौड़िया वैष्णव। वो बाबा हिंदी में भी और अंग्रेजी में भी दोनों में कर रहे बाबा।
हाँ, दोनों भाषा में करने होगा, क्योंकि उसमें तो पता व्यापक होगा।
जी बाबा, आशीर्वाद तो बाबा आप करेंगे, आप शक्तिपात बाबा, आप शक्तिपात करेंगे बाबा, आप शक्तिपात करेंगे तो सब होगा बाबा। आपके
बात तो है ही।
Maharaj Ji's Gurudev, Srila Anant Das Babaji Maharaj, repeatedly told Maharaj Ji to write granthas both in Hindi and English.
उनका जो वाणी है वो सब तो उन्होंने अपना किताबों से लिख गया, उस वाणी को प्रचार करना है, उसका लिखना है, व्याख्या करना है।
Fully blessed and empowered by his spiritual master, Srila Shachinandan Maharaj Ji has written granthas which will revolutionize the face of entire Gaudiya Vaishnavism on planet Earth. Pen is mightier than sword. We have only heard this. Everyone on planet Earth will practically experience this by divine writings of Maharaj Ji. After writing the first Grantha, Be a Gaudiya Vaishnav, Maharaj Ji visited Babaji Maharaj to show and seek blessings. This Grantha, Be a Gaudiya Vaishnav, will practically become the Bible of Gaudiya Vaishnavism. Everything is there in this Grantha. Other Granthas are Be a Gaudiya Vaishnav, Hindi and English, Samashti Guru, Hindi and English, Anand, Hindi and English, Am I Qualified? Once deviated, always deviated, Radha Rani, Mother Hara, Nitya Navdeep, Hindi and English, Cannot become Manjari without deep Gaur Bhajan, Nitai Bhakti, Absolute Necessity, Prathanmrita Amrit Tarangani, Raganuga Bhakti and Siddh Pranali. One revolution began in 1965. Get ready for 2020. An even bigger revolution in Gaudiya Vaishnavism. These granthas are Maharajji's offering to his spiritual master Sri Sri Anant Das Babaji Maharaj 2 years after he entered into the Nitya Leela. Now let us bow down and fully embrace the grace of Lord Chaitanya coming in form of Maharajji's divine granthas.